On any construction site, the project manager is the hub, balancing schedules, budgets, safety, and communication. Today, drone mapping and 360-degree imagery and virtual walkthroughs are transforming how that job gets done. From the very first site scan, high-resolution 3D maps deliver a clear picture of existing conditions, laying the foundation for smarter planning, better coordination, and more efficient resource allocation. As the build progresses, drone flyovers and 360-degree captures provide a consistent visual record of every phase, enabling managers to track progress, verify milestones, and resolve issues faster with data-driven accuracy. 3D walkthroughs bring the site to life, offering remote visibility and interactive updates that keep investors and suppliers to subcontractors and inspectors informed, aligned, and confident in every step of the build. These tools aren't just for progress. They enhance safety planning, confirm as-built accuracy, and support documentation from groundbreaking through final inspection. From start to finish, Newcastle Site Mapping delivers the most advanced 3D mapping, 360-degree captures, and virtual walkthroughs, giving project managers complete control and confidence at every stage. Contact Newcastle Site Mapping today. Your site, your data, your project, all visualized like never before.